over. Every small moment you make it better. Laughing at the blue.
So I want to do like a toast bread first before we start. Yeah. Tomorrow is 31st. So keep this thing showing for me, please. Washing this plate for me. What's going on? Time I edit this video on CapCut, you always reduce the quality of my video. So today I'm going to be using another editing app to edit my video, and please tell me if it's good. Like compared to my last video, I don't know if it's CapCut that is changing the quality of my video. It's not making me look as if I'm not using my back camera to videos. So it's not, by the time I upload it, by the time I'm done editing, I save it, I'll see that the different when I'm editing is totally different. So today I'm not going to be using CapCut to edit my video because I need to put this video before 10 p.m. in the night. So let's just see if the video is clear. Please just comment on the comment section the video is clear than the old one. So I know that CapCut no good again, I swear. It's not good because their money don't dey turn out for every little thing. And I cannot start paying for CapCut now when I know I'm not even gaining any money on social media yet. So this and sha now I'm going to steal like per box because I'm cooking vegetables and stew. Yeah. And this is my toast that I was doing earlier for my mom. Should Yeah, it's summer ready. I like it burning it because I like it to be fried very well. So it's done. Already packing the food for my mom into the takeaway plate. So guys, look at how beautiful the food is. Yeah. So I'm done. And I'm going to cover it. So you can come and fry what you want to fry now. When lemon is inside water, but a lot of people always say that lemon inside water is no good if you have not given birth. But I don't know. I hope my face is showing. Yeah, I just like it. Tastes so good. So I don't like in my freezer because I want to like get tomato and pepper for my stew. So when I'm done bringing it out, I'm going to like is my face showing. Update you guys that um I'm going to be updating you guys that I brought my pepper out from the freezer. But right now, let me just try and bring some things out like pepper, tomato. My chicken is already out, but it's a little bit blocked. My beans is on the fire, so I'm about to pack food to give my brother to go and give my mom in the shop. So see you all later. This is the toast bread I've packed so far, and this is the tea here. So we're going to pack it into this bag. Yeah. So this is my tomato and my pepper and my tatashi inside there. So it's a little bit blocked. So I'm going to be leaving it to melt for a while. My beans I have cooked so far. So I'm going to be parboiling it. Hey shit. I'm going to be parboiling the beans. Yeah. So I have a lot for maintain. So I already washed my rice on the fire. So my rice is cooking and my chicken is on the fire trying to boil. And this is my pot for my tomato and Guys, this is the kitchen right now. So scattered and um this is the kitchen right now. All the plates everywhere is scattered, so I want to quickly wash it. You did not arrange this side now. Eh? You bring it up for not meant to be there. Guys, my chicken is still cooking. The soup is done, it's still cooking. And the beans is not cooking fast, and I don't know why. I finally blend my tomatoes on the fire. So we're going to make it still anytime soon. I feel so dizzy and tired. So the food is still on the fire. I just came outside to relax and rest. Cute dog. Look at my cute dog. Say hello. Say hello. Can I see your face? See what he's doing. See what he's doing. Clap for Jesus. Clap, clap, clap. Clap. Clap, 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 clap. Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus. Every time I tell my dog to clap for Jesus, he's going to clap it. Come. Say hi to my people. Say hi. My name is Snow. Come. I know you're a celebrity. Come, let me take a picture. Come here. Oh yeah, come. Oh yeah, please come. Come and take meat.
Hey guys,